That was a pretty big crash. Whoopsie! Okay, here he is. Little Captain Inya.
A little steeper than it looks.
Little steeper than it looks. Alrighty then. So I think I might be going down the other way. Today is kind of slick.